What's up guys, this is Tech and Howto, and in this video I will review the Samsung J2 2018. This is a new entry for Samsung in the budget level smartphones. This is the box of J2 2018 and these are the key features of it. This device has got 5-inch AMOLED display with 1.4 GHz Snapdragon processor with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal memory. This device camera's capability is 8 megapixel back camera and 5 megapixel front camera with dual flash. This box contains a 5-volt adapter and this is the USB of the smartphone for charging it. Surprisingly, this device doesn't get any earphones, and this is a smartphone Samsung J2 2018. This is the front of it. It's same Samsung logo here and 2 buttons and a center physical button there. This is the back of it. This is the camera and flash, and this is the speaker. This is all new design of Samsung. Here is 3.5 mm headphone jack, and right below is the charging socket and the mic. This is the aluminum body, while the back cover is of plastic. In the right side you will get the power button, and on the left side you will get the volume controls. This is a smartphone, very responsive touch and a nice user interface. This is a control center which looks great. Camera quality of this phone is also very good. This is the camera quality of phone. And this device runs on Android 7. This is Android 7 and Samsung Experience version is 8.5. This device has also got some advanced features. These are the advanced features: one-handed mode, quick launch camera, multi-window. You can also perform multi-window in this smartphone, palm swipe to capture, smart alert, easy mute and all. However, screen resolution is not that great and the camera quality is also slightly blurry, but you can manage. It's a budget segment smartphone. These are the preloaded Samsung applications which you will get in this smartphone. These are the Google preloaded applications and these are the Microsoft apps. Overall nice smartphone in this budget. If you talk about the battery of this phone lasts for around 1 day if you use normally, and if you are using it heavily you have to charge it twice a day. This device also have Google Assistants which makes easy to do anything in your smartphone. We also tried playing heavy games on this smartphone. This runs absolutely perfect, but there is some sort of heating issue. This phone heats a lot if you are playing heavy games. This is of 2 GB of RAM, but still it hangs and slightly gets heated while playing heavy games. But if you play normal games, small games, there is no issue with it. So overall good smartphone. You can get this smartphone for around 8,000 Indian rupees. So hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give a big thumbs up. Drop your suggestions in comment box. Follow me on Facebook. Thank you.